glad to see the Rathlin Sound Maritime Festival back in 2022. We're looking forward to this afternoon. Saturday and this morning has been great so far. The weather has been fantastic. Everybody's coming out to support it. The traders are enjoying getting back out trading again after 2 years, so we're looking forward to the rest of the week.
It's great to be back here in Ballycastle for the Rathlin Sound Maritime Festival. The weather has been very kind to us. The people are smiling. You can see there's a good crowd here today. I was delighted to be taking part by demoing my Distiller's Pickle Sauce product, and we revisited our award-winning red seafood chowder where we won the Ulster Chowder Championships right here in Ballycastle. So it's great to see everybody enjoying themselves again. There's lots of fun things to do, all the family, lots of great cookery bites and lots of tastings. So make your way down to the festival, and we hope you have a great time.